I'd like to begin by thanking everyone for being here today as we begin discussions on how to reduce the route driver turnover issue throughout Airgas. Everyone should have received a full version of this proposal. My name is William Trott, and I'm currently the branch manager in Bessemer, Alabama. Like all process improvement plans, we're going to touch on all of these areas. The emailed version goes more in depth. We will just be hitting the highlights of the presentation. Beginning with a problem statement that we already mentioned was the rate of driver turnover. Like other problems, there are underlying issues that need to be addressed also. One is the excessive length of time from a new hire to certified Airgas driver. And the other is the erosion of the branch manager authority over time. It no longer matches the accountability of the two. Looking at the strategic analysis for Airgas, our strongest position is obviously our company size. We're located throughout the entire United States, enabling us to deliver to any customer, anytime, anywhere. Focusing on the weaknesses, specifically with the route driver turnover process. Number one issue is the low beginning pay for our drivers. Secondly would be the physical nature of the job. And third would be the environmental factors that they face every day. A proposal would be to increase the branch manager's involvement in the decision-making process, specifically manning requirements at the branch level, the budgeting process proposals, and the distribution of raises. Currently, Human Resources is responsible for distributing raises at the branch level. Shifting this responsibility to the branch manager would allow realignment of driver pay to make that competitive with other local route driving positions. The ultimate goal is to reduce driver turnover. The loss of a driver results in a personnel shortage at the branch, leading to increased workload and a decrease in morale. Currently, it takes approximately 3 to 4 months to take a newly hired driver and get them on the road Airgas certified. I believe we can shorten this process to approximately 6 weeks. The longer a driver is with us results in a route familiarity, increasing efficiency and customer satisfaction while reducing customer churn. Successful implementation of this will lead to an increased willingness to transfer additional decision-making responsibilities to the branch manager. With any plan, there will be a cost associated with this one as well. I'm proposing a $2 an hour raise for every driver, resulting in approximately an increase in $4,100 per year per driver. If you look at this effect on the bottom line using my branch in Bessemer, Alabama as an example, this will result in an increase in operating expenses of 0.9%, or a decrease of 0.1% in EBITDA. The current driver efficiency bonus, which has been in place for 18 months, has not had the intended results. Almost 45% of drivers currently achieve the full bonus of $750 a month, yet we still have the same rate of driver turnover prior to the implementation of that plan. I recommend that we increase the target number, challenging the drivers to achieve their efficiency bonus with the guaranteed $2 an hour raise that my plan implements. This plan is a massive paradigm shift for the entire region. And with any change like this, there are risk factors that we must control for. To begin with, we need to ensure that branch managers embrace this change and, as a company, provide them with the proper training on their expectations and limitations. The next challenge is the potential misapplication, i.e. favoritism, of the yearly raises. This will be mitigated with oversight provided from the district manager. Any non-merit-based raise has the potential for complacency, I believe this to be a low probability because it existed before and will not increase. Our goal is to minimize driver turnover, not keep every driver. We only want our top performers. Other branch personnel may feel slighted by not receiving a raise at this time. However, drivers are a critical component to Airgas's success. Their position is more demanding, and inside sales personnel always have the opportunity to transfer to a route driver position. Looking at the action plan, meeting dates and attendees will be notified with specific times, locations via company email and Google Hangouts. The planned milestones are as follows. Kickoff meeting will be in mid-June. Training submittal will be the end of June. The draft of the operating procedures will be submitted to the region presidents the end of July. Budget submittal will be submitted to the CFO the 1st of September. Operating procedure approval by the region president will be mid-September. The branch manager training will be conducted at the annual branch manager meeting in October, date to be determined, and an initial program evaluation will take place 12 months from then in October of 2021. These statements were directly pulled from Airgas's mission statement. I feel that we have strayed from these. This proposal is a way for us to realign with Airgas's vision. It will return autonomy to the branch managers, allow differing point of views to be freely expressed, encourages initiative, and branch managers will have the authority to confront and solve problems head on. Are there any questions?